Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2022 350 Realm. What a gorgeous boat this is. It's in the beautiful Abaco blue color. It's loaded up with all the options you're going to want. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 350 Realm. Let's start at the back of the boat. Get the brand new Mercs out. They're the 300s, triple 300s, a ton of horsepower for this boat. Good top end, great hole shot. Just phenomenal motors, very, very quiet, very little vibration. You'll absolutely love them. If you're not going fishing for the day and you're just going out for a nice ride, you get a very comfortable seat in the back, nice high back. And if you do want to fish, put your rods right across here. Your live well is right conveniently located right here. Also makes for, if you're not going to fish, also makes for a real nice cooler. It's insulated and it's self-draining, so I use it for a cooler a lot. The dive ladder is right here, and that hooks up on here. So the ladder just goes from there, those two holes, locks in, makes it very easy to get out of the water onto the boat, and very sturdy, very safe. The other big thing here is the boarding. So if you're, a lot of docks are one level and they're floaters, and you can just step from here right onto the dock. It's the safest way to get on the boat, bar none. So just a great option having the door. Seating on this side, nice comfortable seating. You've got a very large refrigerator in here, so it's very deep. You can either open the whole thing for access, or you can open just the door just to pull something individually out. Place for food, place for drinks, little steps so you can rest your feet. And then if you catch some fish, and the Kenyon grill is a phenomenal grill. Very little, it's not smoky at all. The water does, the burners are recessed, so it's not smoky at all. So as we move into the cockpit area, we've got some really nice seating. So this piece now faces forward, so two adults, very, very comfortable. The helm seat also flips around, and you've got four people playing cards, drinks, appetizers, you name it. They've got a table that comes up right in the middle of all four people, so it's very cool. You've got a refrigerator on the far side, so you've got cold drinks for everybody up here. And then I'm going to spin this back around. Actually, sorry, let's just do this here. And now we've got a really nice, comfortable helm seat for two people, which is just fantastic. Real quick on the helm area here, you've got two large Raymarine touchscreens. You've got everything you need in these two. You can split them in half. You can have four different things, whatever you want. You've got auto trim tabs, which is a nice feature. Digital throttle and shift, and then you got the joystick. The joystick is just incredible. It does everything well. I mean, when you're going into a docking situation, no matter what it is, I can just use this. I can go sideways. I can go any direction I want. I've got 100% control of this boat every single time I dock. It's just incredible. You've got sky hooks, so at the end of the day, my wife likes to see the sunset, so I'll just get close to home, point the bow at the sun, hit the sky hook, and the motors will keep you in the one spot. They're so quiet you don't even hear them. So when you're sitting up front, you don't even hear the motors run at all. You're just keeping in that one spot. Have a nice glass of wine. What a great way to end the day. Wife loves it. Also, it has an autopilot, which we call auto heading. It's a point and shoot. So you just point the boat, you pick up Key West, and you hit the button on it, and it takes you straight there, and you don't have to drive the boat all the way. It actually gets you there faster and uses less fuel. So as we hop down into the cabin, this way it shows you some of the storage that's underneath, so you can keep stuff like blankets and that, and pillows if you want to do any sleeping at all. But so it's got storage in the back. Very comfortable seating for just hanging out. Kids love it. They got the TV right here, and then a full standing head. It's got a seat that will come down if you're taking a shower, because it's got a really nice handheld shower. And you've got the vacuum flush head as well. So just a really nice bathroom. People love it. It's comfortable for everybody. So as we move up towards the bow, you've got nice high gunnels on the boat. So as you'll see, very high gunnels. Even higher when you get to this part here. So everybody up here, if you got any children or anything else, really safe feature just being with this height. So up front, we've got the nice teak table. It's a beautiful teak table. It'll lower down with the sun pad, so I got it on it, so it makes one huge sun pad up here. You can put 4 adults comfortable here. You can put another 4 or 5 here. You can put 9, almost 10 adults up here comfortable just hanging out. The boat does everything very, very well. It's a great riding boat. So if you got any questions on it, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.